हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों। आज हम पढ़ेंगे सॉल्युबिलिटी के बारे में एंड अबाउट सस्पेंशन। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द solubility. Solubility is the property of a solute to get dissolved in water or any other solvent. Fine. It is the maximum amount of solute in grams which is present in 100 gram of solvent at a particular temperature. Solubility is always measured at a particular temperature because it varies with increase or decrease in temperature. So 100 gram of solvent में कितना amount में solute present है at a particular temperature is called the solubility of the solute. So solubility at a particular temperature is equal to weight of solute in grams into 100 divided by weight of solvent in grams. And weight of solvent we can obtain by subtracting the weight of solute from the weight of solution. We can also write mass in place of weight here. Fine, it's both the same thing. Now let us do one question based on solubility. So the question is 5 gram of a solute is dissolved in 25 gram of water to form a saturated solution at 25 degree Celsius. Calculate its solubility. So here we are provided with the weight, or we can say mass of solute, which is equal to 5 gram. Mass of solvent, which is equal to 25 grams. Okay, and the temperature is given 25 degree Celsius. So we will calculate the solubility as solubility is equals to, we know the formula, mass of solute divided by into 100, mass of solute into 100 divided by mass of solvent. So by putting all the values in the formula, the solubility would come out to be 20 grams. So this is how we can calculate the solubility of a particular solute. Now students, we will study the effect of temperature and pressure on solubility. So first case we will be dealing with is the case of solid which is dissolved in liquid. ठीक है, तो firstly हम लोग बात करेंगे जब solids को liquid में dissolve करके कोई solution prepare की जाती है. So for that solution, if we increase the temperature, then the solubility of solid in liquid increases, and if we decrease the temperature, the solubility would decrease. Fine. For pressure, there is no effect on the solubility of the solid in liquid. तो अगर हम pressure को increase करते हैं या decrease करते हैं, तो there would be no effect. Fine. Now we will talk about the solubility of gases in liquid. So for gases in liquid, if we increase the temperature, then solubility of the gases in liquid decreases. Fine, because it is inversely proportional with the temperature. अगर हम temperature increase करेंगे तो solubility decrease होगी, and if we decrease the temperature, then solubility would increase. For example, when we heat the water, we know that water contains dissolved gases like oxygen, okay, and hydrogen. Fine. Now when we heat the water, the temperature increases and the dissolved air in the water, it escapes out. तो air होती है वो बाहर escape होती है because उसकी solubility decrease हो जाती है. ठीक है, तो with increase in temperature, the solubility of the gas in liquid decreases. Fine. So the dissolved air escapes out in the form of tiny bubbles. Now with pressure, the solubility of gases in liquid, if we increase the pressure, the gases would be more soluble, and if we decrease the pressure, the gases would be less soluble. इसका एग्जाम्पल हम लोग ले सकते हैं, जैसे कि सोडा वाटर है और we can say the bottle of cold drinks. When we open the bottle of cold drink, we hear a fizz sound. ठीक है, तो वो जो fizz sound produce होती है, it is the sound when the gas escapes out. ठीक है, क्योंकि हमने प्रेशर को कम किया। जैसे ही हमने जो बॉटल का जो कैप है वो ओपन किया तो वहां पे प्रेशर कम हो गया, और जैसे ही प्रेशर कम हुआ तो जो डिजोल्व गैस थी लिक्विड में वो वहां से एस्केप होती है एंड इट प्रोड्यूसेस अ फिज साउंड। फाइन। So solubility of gases in liquid, it increases with increase in pressure and decreases with decrease in pressure. So this is how the temperature and pressure affect the solubility of a particular solute. Okay students. Now we will talk about the suspension. So suspension, it is a heterogeneous mixture and the size of particle in suspension, it is about 10 raised to the power minus 7 meter or 100 nanometers. Fine. So here 100 nanometer, it is a quite big size of particles of solute. So big size hai, so they are easily visible with our naked eyes. Fine. So some characteristics of suspensions are, it is heterogeneous mixture. The size of particle is about 100 nanometers. Particles are very big so that they can be easily visible with our naked eye. Suspension show Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect, I have already told you that it is the process of scattering of light by the particles of a particular solution. So यहाँ पे suspensions में particles का size बड़ा होता है, so they easily scatter the light, okay, and the path of light is easily visible through the suspension. So they show Tyndall effect. Suspensions are unstable. Unstable means when we keep the suspension undisturbed for some time, all the solute particles, they settle down at the bottom of the container in which we have kept the suspension. Okay, because the particles, they are big in size, so under the effect of gravity they easily settle down. तो इसीलिए हम लोग सस्पेंशंस को बोलते हैं they are unstable in nature. Now it is either opaque or translucent. Suspensions जो होती हैं वो either they are completely opaque or they are translucent. Particles in a suspension can be filtered by a filter paper. जब हम suspensions को filter paper पे हम डालते हैं तो उसमें से solute के particles जो होंगे वो separate out हो जाते हैं. For example, chalk powder in water, it is a suspension. ठीक है, तो जब हम लोग filter करते हैं solution को chalk powder की water में, तो जो chalk powder है it gets separated from the water. Muddy pond water, lime water is the solution of calcium hydroxide in water, or we can say suspension of calcium hydroxide in water. Now milk of magnesia, paints, ठीक है, paints भी क्या होते हैं हमारे suspension होते हैं. जब आप paint को undisturbed कुछ टाइम के लिए छोड़ देते हैं तो जितने भी solute particles होंगे, solid particles, वो जाके bottom में settle down हो जाते हैं. फिर आपको उसको दोबारा से क्या करना पड़ता है, mix करना पड़ता है, right? Then smoke from chimney, all these are example of suspension. So I hope you all have understood the content taught to you. See you in the next video with the topic of colloidal solution. Thank you for watching.